I'm Chengcheng. My thesis project is about developing a new participation platform to help achieve a creative balance between architects and users during co-creation process. While we may observe in certain cultures of architectural practice a general shift in mindset from expert-led design to human-centered design, in practice we find a diversity of specific approaches. At one pole, we may see figures that may be described as humanistic experts, such as Alvar Aalto and Peter Zumthor, while at the other, we might see participatory facilitators, such as Hugh Dubley, Peter Jones, and Ideal. Across this spectrum, we want to establish productive relationships between architects and users. In a practice in which we too often find imbalance, with undue influence assigned to one party or the other, we want to reach a balance point in order to generate real human-centered architectural design. If a new kind of participation platform were to be developed that more consciously balances the creative voice of the author and user, then a true process of human-centered co-creation may be achieved. To this end, a web-based multiplayer game in the spirit of Sanhe's Blockhood is developed that brings architecture designer and user together in a process of co-creation. In order to focus this platform and to test alternative configurations of author and user, an architectural project is proposed for a new gathering space in Bay Area for international students in USA, a new international house in Berkeley, and a new urban space at Dolores Park in San Francisco. In spite of the limitations within the scope of this thesis, it still draws attention to find this creative balance between author and user in architectural design field, and many more new participation platforms can be further developed in order to achieve a true process of human-centered co-creation in the future. Thank you.